Hi gardeners, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'll be discussing upon how to grow and care for a peach tree in southern Florida. Let's jump right into it. So I want to discuss with you guys the proper precautions as well as the steps you should do in order to properly take care of a peach tree and level up your success in order to get peaches and harvest them and enjoy them in your home. So let's go ahead and jump to step number one. So the variety of peach I have is tropical prints. So number one is you have to provide full sun. 5 to 6 plus hours of direct sunlight is highly recommended in order to get the best vibrant green leaves, but also the best performance off of your tree. So make sure you provide that. Coming at number two, that it has to be planted in soil that is well draining and that retains a little bit of moisture. Like my soil is mixed with soil and sand, it drains well, but it does tend to capture a lot of moisture within the soil, and it does cover the root system with moisture as well. The thing is with peach trees is that you can't be planting them in very dry soil, neither in very wet soil. So you want to make sure you're right in between, planting it in good, well-draining, but moist soil. Which leads us to number three, which is your watering schedules, particularly like we're talking about South Florida. Usually you want to step back watering either one time a week, or sometimes you don't even have to water due to not only the hurricane season being currently in effect, but also we tend to have rain at least one time, even more times per week usually. But if it doesn't rain throughout the week, you can water about 1 to 2 times every week to keep your plant hydrated. Coming in number four is pruning. Pruning is mandatory when it comes to fruit trees because it helps them branch out, as well as it helps them create new branches where new blooms will be formed. So make sure you do prune. Usually it's done in early spring before the flower starts emerging, but like it's fall, you would do this around midsummer to early summer or even before that. So make sure you prune around that time and always prune a third off each branch so it can have time to create new branches and it can make the older branches sturdier. So make sure you do prune throughout the season. Number five is fertilizing. When it comes to peach trees, although it's not mandatory, it is recommended to help it promote more new leaves, healthier branches, healthier blooms, and eventually better tasting fruit as well. So fertilizing is usually done with organic matter like composting grown from your garden or produced in your garden, or any type of fertilizer that's high in nitrogen, phosphate, or potassium, because those are 3 main elements when it comes to a plant success. So that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys found this video informative and educational, because I had a great fun filming it and I can't wait to see what this tree has in store for me this upcoming growing season. So thank you all so much for watching. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye everyone.